Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel Kasturi Srinivas Sekhar classes for mathematics and statistics. First of all, thank you very much for watching my videos. In this video, I am going to explain the concept of expected opportunity loss in statistical decision theory. Again, I am repeating this point. This video will explain how to take a decision using expected opportunity loss concept in statistical decision theory. How to use this concept? Let us see with the help of a numerical question. A company is trying to manufacture a new type of toy. A company is trying to manufacture a new type of toy. The company is attempting to decide whether to bring out full, partial or minimal product line. Full, partial or minimal product line. The company has three levels of product acceptance. The company has three levels of product acceptance and has estimated their probabilities of occurrence. The management will make the decision on the basis of maximizing the expected profit from the first year of production. Look at this last line once again. Management will make the decision on the basis of maximizing the expected profit from the first year of production. States of nature. The product may have good demand, the product may have fair demand, the product may have poor demand. What is the probability assigned for the product is having good demand? 0.2. Probability that the product is having fair demand is 0.4. Probability that the product is having poor demand is 0.4. When the company decided to go for full product line, it is expecting 90,000 rupees as payoff value when the product is having good demand. It is expecting 60,000 payoff value when the product is having fair demand, and it is loss of 15,000 when the product is having poor demand. When the company decided to go for partial product line, again I am repeating this point, when the company decided to go for partial product line, it is expecting 80,000 rupees as payoff value. When it is having fair demand, it is expecting a payoff value of 65,000. When it is having poor demand, loss of 10,000 rupees. When the company decided to go for minimal product line, 60,000 is the payoff value when the product is having good demand. 50,000 rupees is the payoff value when it is having fair demand, and 0 when there is no demand, that is demand is poor. What is the optimum value of expected opportunity loss and the optimum course of action? What is the optimum value of expected opportunity loss and the optimum course of action? This is the numerical question we have for this question. Fine. How to take a decision in case of EOL? Let us see, sir, how to calculate expected opportunity loss. Expected opportunity loss, EOL, is equal to for an action I is equal to summation of Lij Pj, expected opportunity loss EOL. How can we calculate? This is summation of Lij Pj, where Lij is equal to loss for an action I due to an event J. Loss for an action I due to an event J. Pj is equal to probability of occurrence of an event J. Probability of occurrence of an event J. The act for which EOL is minimum is selected. How to take a decision, sir? The act for which EOL is minimum is selected. Now, for applying this EOL concept, first of all, payoff values are converted into regret values. Payoff values are converted into regret values. Let us see the question once again. When the state of nature is good, it means when the product is having good demand, going for full product line is the best for the company's point of view. Again, I am repeating this point. When the product is having good demand, going for full product line is the best action or best decision. Instead of considering this, if it goes for partial or minimal, then how it will express its regret? Loss, opportunity loss it is getting for not taking the correct decision. This point again I am saying, what is a regret value? Regret value is nothing but an opportunity loss value for not taking the correct decision. From exam point of view, select this state of nature first. Those who are doing EOL first time, let us see. Fix one state of nature. Identify the maximum value in this state of nature. 90,000 is the maximum value. From this 90,000, you subtract each and every value of that column. Then you will get regret values. Let us see how I am calculating. Preparation of regret table. States of nature, product line, states of nature is good, fair, poor. Probabilities associated for this 0.2, 0.4, again 0.4. Now full product line. In this case, what is the maximum value? 90,000. Instead of going for full product line, if the company takes a decision of partial product line or minimal product line, what is the regret? That is, what is the opportunity loss it is expecting? So this is 90,000 minus 90,000, 0. Partial 90,000 minus 80,000, this is 10,000. Minimal 90,000 minus 60,000, this is 30,000. This way payoff values are converted into regret values. Next, let us fix the state of nature as fair. It means when the product is having fair demand. What is the maximum value in this column? 65,000 is the maximum value in this column. From this 65, you subtract each and every value of this column. So this is 65,000 minus 60,000, this is 5,000. 65,000 minus 65,000, this is 0. 65,000 minus 15,000, sorry, 50,000, this is 15,000. Similarly, I can calculate the regret values when the product is having poor demand, when the states of nature is poor, when the product is having poor demand. In this column, what is the maximum value? 0 is the maximum value. From this you subtract each and every value. 0 minus of minus 15,000, this is plus 15,000. 0 minus of minus 10,000, this is 10,000. 0 minus 0, 0. This way payoff values are converted into regret values. Okay, next let me calculate EOL for full product line. EOL for full product line. So this is 0 into 0.2 plus 5,000 into 0.4 plus 15,000 into 0.4. These are the regret values multiplied with respect to probabilities, and you are adding them. So these values zero, 5 fours are 22,000, 15 fours are 66,000. This is equal to rupees 8,000. Expected opportunity loss for full product line is 8,000. Let us see EOL for partial product line. EOL for partial product line. For good demand 10,000 rupees is the regret value. For fair demand 0 is the regret value. And for poor demand it is 10,000. So this is equal to 10,000 into 0.2 plus 0 into 0.4 plus 10,000 into 0.4. This is equal to 2,000 plus 0 plus 4,000. Rupees 6,000. Regret value is, or expected opportunity loss value is 6,000. EOL for minimal product line. Look at this, sir. 30,000 is the regret value when the product is having good demand. 15,000 is the regret value when the product is having fair demand. 0 is the regret value when the product is having poor demand. So these regret values are multiplied with respect to probabilities and they are added. So this is 30,000 into 0.2 plus 15,000 into 0.4 plus 0 into 0.4. This is 6,000. Again 6,000 is equal to rupees 12,000. So expected opportunity loss values for the three options the company is having are calculated. So I am writing these values again. EOL for full product line is equal to rupees 8,000. EOL for partial product line is equal to rupees 6,000. EOL for minimal product line is equal to rupees 12,000. Now after calculation of EOL, what will I do? I will select the act for which EOL is minimum. 6,000 is the minimum EOL. Rupees 6,000 is the minimum EOL. So the company should take a decision to go for partial product line. Therefore, the company should take a decision to go for partial product line. This is what expected opportunity loss concept in case of statistical decision theory under uncertainty. That is, when the states of nature is associated with the probabilities, and you are using expected opportunity loss concept. So let us have a quick revision on this. First of all, payoff values are converted into regret values. Look at this. These are the payoff values you have that is given in the question. The company is expecting 90,000 rupees when the product is having good demand. For full product line, it is expecting 60,000 rupees as payoff value when it is having fair demand. A loss of 15,000 rupees when it is having a poor demand. If it goes for partial product line, 80,000 rupees is the payoff value it is expecting when the product is having good demand. 65,000 rupees is the expected payoff value when it is having fair demand. Loss of 10,000 rupees when it is having poor demand. If the company goes for minimal product line, 60,000 rupees is the payoff value it is expecting when the product is having good demand. 50,000 rupees is the payoff value when it is having fair demand. 0 is the payoff value when the product is having poor demand. So these payoff values you have to convert into states of nature. First, fix the states of nature as good demand. When the product is having good demand, identify the maximum value in this states of nature. Identify the maximum value in this states of nature. 90,000 rupees. Subtract each and every value of this column from 90,000. Then you will get regret values as 0, 10,000, 30,000. Regret values as 0, 10,000, 0, 10,000 and 30,000. When the product is having fair demand, identify the maximum value 65,000. Subtract each and every value from 65,000. So regret values are 5,000, 0, 15,000. When the product is having poor demand, identify the maximum value in this column. That is, for this states of nature, 0 is the maximum value. Each and every value is subtracted from 0. So regret values are 15,000, 10,000 and 0. Then using these regret values, you have to calculate expected opportunity loss. Very simple. Let us fix this action. Means company has one decision to take to go for full product line. When it decided to go for full product line, what is the opportunity loss? 0 into 0.2 plus 5,000 into 0.4 plus 15,000 into 0.4. 15,000 into 0.4. So EOL is obtained as rupees 8,000. Similarly, let us calculate expected opportunity loss from the company's point of view when it decided to go for partial product line. 10,000 into 0.2 plus 0 into 0.4 plus 10,000 into 0.4. 10,000 into 0.2, 0 into 0.4, 10,000 into 0.4. It is obtained as 6,000. Let us go for the last one. When it decided to go for a minimal product line, regret values are 30,000, 15,000 and 0. So what will I do? These regret values I will multiply with respect to probabilities and I will add. It is 30,000 into 0.2, 15,000 into 0.4, 0 into 0.4, it is obtained as 12,000. So these values are written here. Expected opportunity loss for full product line is 8,000. Expected opportunity loss for partial product line is 6,000. Expected opportunity loss for minimal product line is 12,000. How to take a decision? The act for which EOL is minimum is selected. 6,000 is the minimum value. Therefore, that particular action is selected. From the company's point of view, what is the best decision? Go for partial product line. Go for partial product line. Okay, sir. This is what expected opportunity loss concept. Expected opportunity loss concept in case of statistical decision theory. The two, when the states of nature is associated with respect to probabilities. Clear? That's all in this video. In the next video, we'll meet with another question. Thank you.